Okay, it's Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Now, these are the top 5, my top 5 sellers for wooden rubber band guns, full sale. These aren't the juniors. These are full rubber band toy guns. All right? These are the top 5. Here's the number 1 selling, which is the 1873 Winchester, which is the most popular gun ever made. Matter of fact, they made a movie with James Stewart called the Winchester 73. Okay, the reason being is the cock action. It was so fast, and James Stewart, great movie. Winchester 73, okay?
Yeah, he was
now,
good in it.
Yes, this is great. And so the wooden rubber band is number 1. This is number 1. It's you can put up to 12 shot rubber bands. Okay, 12 shot rubber bands, and it will just and it shoots 1 shot at a time. Okay, you can do up to 12 shots. This is the number 1 gun.
Is that the number 1?
The number 1 selling, the Winchester. Okay, they're toy. They're wooden. They're 28 inches. This is 28 inches long. This is a full scale, okay?
Kids would love that.
These are awesome. They're made of poplar, hard poplar wood, made in Rapid City, South Dakota by Magnum Enterprises. And they're military, ex-military. Dan is the owner, and he was ex-Air Force. He used to fly the refueling tankers to refuel the B-52 bombers. Okay, and it comes with a line scope. Okay, now you can get it with a scope and sling, but most people never put a scope and sling back then on. That was the 1870s, and they didn't really have a lot of scopes. So this is the 1873 Winchester. That's the number 1 gun. The number 2 gun is the Kentucky rifle.
Oh yeah.
This is just a beautiful gun. It's got the barrel. Okay, it's got beautiful engraving right here, but also has the flintlock. Now, obviously, this doesn't work, but this is a great add-on look to it.
It is.
The flintlock.
The
Okay.
Kentuckian. That was with Burt Lancaster.
Kentuckian.
Or John Wayne.
And this is the Kentucky rifle. Okay, and this is our number 2 selling gun.
Number 2.
Number 2. This is my number 2. Okay. And this is again. It takes the blue ammo. And it holds up to 12 shots. 12 shots.
Wow.
And they shoot up to about 20 feet.
That's pretty sweet.
Are you just going to comment the whole time? And that's the Kentucky rifle. Now, the number 3 selling gun. Now, most of my AR guns or my rifles always come with scope and slings, because I'm a person that if you're going to buy a gun, you might as well buy the best part of it. And that's the scope and sling. This gun without the scope and sling is not as impressive. But all my guns come with scope and slings. Okay. This is the AR-15. Again, this is a 15-shotter. Or 12-shot. This is a 12-shot gun. Got 12 rubber bands. Put one on at a time, then you cock it back. Like that, and you then put the next one on. So we're going to aim in on that dinosaur. Got him. Got that T-Rex. Yeah, baby. And that's the AR-15. That's the 3rd most popular wooden toy rubber band gun. Okay, the AR-15. And this baby is almost 42. This one's 28 inches also in length. And this is made of a hard poplar wood. Okay, very durable and very sturdy. Okay, made hard poplar. It's very dense. Now, the 4th most popular gun is the AK-47 Combat. Okay, beautiful gun with scope and sling. And one thing I want to make very clear: every part of this gun, the scope, all the mechanisms, they're all made in Rapid City, South Dakota. Everything. Everything is made in the U.S. And again, this is a 12-shot. Like I said, so you can take 1 shot. You put your rubber band in. We're going to target our dinosaur over there. We got him right over there. Got him. And that's the AK-47 Combat. This is the number 4 selling gun, or the 4th selling, highest selling gun. Toy gun, toy rubber band gun. The last one, which is huge, this is the M60. This is the 4th top selling gun. Now we have more guns, obviously, online, but this is the top. This is the top 5. This is the 5th one, and this is the M60. Now again, you can get with this with a scope and sling. You can get it without a scope or with a scope and sling. I always recommend to get it with a scope and sling. It's just a better gun. Like I said, what would you rather have? What would your kid rather have, the scope and sling or the one without?
No, take the scope and sling off.
And you can take it off if you want the scope and sling. And again, these are made of hard poplar, very durable. And this is a 12-shot also. You basically put one rubber band in at a time until you get all 12 in. And then you attack Godzilla. There's Godzilla up there. We're going to get on Godzilla. Get in on Godzilla. Oh, we got Godzilla. There we go. And this is the M60. And these are made by Magnum Rubber Band Magnum Rubber Band Company. Made in the U.S. Rapid City, South Dakota. Rapid City, South Dakota. At ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button. If you have any questions, don't forget to give us like, subscribes, hit the notification bell button, gives us thumbs up. The more thumbs up, the more the merrier. Sorry. You can get these for birthdays. You can get these for Easter. You can get them for if you're going to go on a trip. If you're camping. These are, I'm telling you, these are great. If you camp in this summer, and if you're camping starting in April, these are a great toy to keep your kids active and to keep your kids busy during the summer. Is a toy gun, because their imagination will kick in, and that's what you want a kid to do over the summer, is have an imagination, have a lot of fun, and that is what we have here at ProTinkerToys. We have a lot of fun, just like maybe a couple rubber dinosaurs too for camping. They put them in the ground and everything and play with them in the dirt and all that. Everything we have here is to have a lot of fun at ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, share, button. Have a great day.